Here we're given a function f of x equals x over the square root of 7 minus 3x, and we're asked to find a limit, specifically the limit as x approaches 2 of the quotient f of x minus f of 2 over x minus 2. Sounds familiar. That limit sounds familiar. Take a look back at note number 35. It says the limit as x approaches a number a of f of x minus f of a over x minus a is defined to be equal to the derivative f prime evaluated at this number x equals a. So yes, that does look familiar. And we're going to use that definition to answer the question, find the limit. Step 1, we are going to calculate or find f prime of x using the given function. Okay, we're going to end up with a derivative function of x. The thing is, with this quotient f of x, we're going to have to use the quotient rule. It's kind of messy. I think I'll rewrite the function so that we can use the product rule instead. That f of x is the same as x over 7 minus 3x to the negative 1/2. So now we have a product and we can use the product rule. Let's remember what the product rule looks like. It's u times v prime equals u v prime plus v u prime. Okay, applying that here, we've got the first x times the derivative of the second. So we'll use the power rule. 7 minus 3x to the negative 1/2 minus 1 is negative 3/2. And then hit it with a negative 3 because we have to apply the chain rule here. And then plus the second function times the derivative of the first. So we use the chain rule here. When we hit it, we multiplied by the derivative of the inner function. We didn't use the chain rule here at the end. We used the product rule to do the derivative of the first. Well, simplifying that equals 3 times x over 2 times 7 minus 3x to the 3/2 plus 1 over 7 minus 3x to the 1/2. And we don't have to simplify it any further because we're about to evaluate this thing for a value of x. Evaluate the derivative function for x equals 2. All right, so that's f prime of 2 that we're evaluating. It's equal to 3 times 2 over 2 times 7 minus 3 times 2 to the 3/2 plus 1 over 7 minus 3 times 2 to the 1/2. That simplifies to 6 over 2 times 1 to the 3/2 plus 1 over 1 to the 1/2, which is simply 6 over 2 plus 1, which equals 3 plus 1, which is 4. Okay, so we found f prime of 2. What are we going to do with it? We're going to go back to note number 35 and make our conclusion. The thing they asked us to find, the limit as x approaches 2 of f of x minus f of 2 over x minus 2 is equal to, according to note number 35, f prime of 2. And we know what that is. We found it in the step above. It is simply equal to the number 4. So the answer to the question for the limit is 4.